Good morning, evening, or afternoon, or after morning. I'm the Mainly Digger. In this video, I'm going to throw some knives. I'm going to test some knives. So, I'm going to test some throwing knives. There we go. For Christmas, my wife bought me some throwing knives. This is a 3-pack of Z Hunter throwing knives, they're produced by Master Cutlery, which produces multiple different types of knives, has multiple different brands. I have thrown some of these knives. This is my unboxing, review, and testing of Z Hunter Knives 3 set with a target. This is what they look like. Right about 6 inches, and they got the zombie biohazard sign on that. And I love it. I love it. They're made in China, but it says on the blade, designed in the United States. Well, it's stainless steel, but my reaction to these is that I would suggest them, they're an inexpensive toy. A fun toy, and they're like easy, and they're a good knife to learn on. The cons what I don't like them is they're flimsy. The tip is flimsy. If you see the point starts to curl, and it doesn't stick. So the more abuse that happens to them, the less they stick. But that's an easy fix. You got to get out the pliers or any other way to flatten that, make that point straight, flatten it out, and they go back to working again. What also came in this package of 3, is this dartboard. I call it a dartboard. Something to throw at this target. I've already used and abused it. As you can see, it has some nicks, but I'm gonna throw everything at this guy. I'm throwing all my throwing knives at. So I gotta say, I've thrown a lot at this today. Why? Because I can. Also, because I wanna see how much abuse can it take. If you're not going for high speed, high quality equipment, which these aren't, they're fun, they're made to be used and abused. This is what you should buy. This is starting out, especially if you're starting out throwing knives, because you're gonna use and abuse them, and you're gonna ding them up, you're gonna screw up the blade edge and have to learn how to fix it. You're gonna screw up the point and have to learn how to readjust and fix the point so it works. For the price, I would absolutely suggest this knife, or this set of knives, Mainly Dig Out.
When I said I'd throw the kitchen sink at it, I meant I did.
This is about to go down. It's about to go down right now.
quite a bullseye. And now these guys, randos, old throwing knife, eBay. I got most of these off of eBay, except for the ones for my wife. So we'll see. I'd sharpen them up with file. Now these guys, these are my favorite. This one may not stick, it needs some maintenance. We'll see. Sounds like an excuse. These guys, I'm gonna stick them. These guys.
Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
On the inside. They're better than I thought it would. But I've thrown a lot of it.
Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise drown into your eyes like the bills, like